Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 5 users have encountered, the dreaded error code CE-110551-3, which indicates a failure to read the disc. This error can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an intense gaming session. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the steps to fix this problem. Firstly, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. Begin by checking the disc itself for any visible scratches, smudges, or dirt. If you notice any, gently clean the disc using a soft, lint-free cloth. Make sure to wipe from the center of the disc outward in a straight line, avoiding circular motions that could potentially cause further damage. If the disc appears to be in good condition, the next step is to power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Unplug the console from the power source and wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This will allow the system to reset and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Once you've powered on your console again, try inserting the disc that was previously giving you the error. If the problem persists, it's time to move on to a more advanced troubleshooting step. In some cases, the error code CE-1051-3 can be caused by a software issue. To address this, you'll need to update your PlayStation 5 system software to the latest version. To do this, go to the Settings menu, select System, and then choose System Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any available updates. If updating the system software doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to consider contacting PlayStation support for further assistance. They have a team of experts who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Remember, troubleshooting technical issues can sometimes be a trial and error process. Be patient and try each step carefully before moving on to the next. With a bit of persistence, you'll hopefully be able to fix the error code CE-110551-3 and get back to enjoying your gaming experience on the PlayStation 5.